This is Adam, the baby gear guy and car seat technician. We're going to show you how to properly buckle your baby into the Nuna Pipa Lite RX. Now your Pipa is going to come with an infant insert. This insert you can use as long as you want. Whenever the baby starts looking too squished, you can go ahead and remove it. Now inside the insert, there is a newborn pillow, which is only used up to 11 pounds, just like it says on the back here. So as soon as the baby's over 11 pounds, you're going to take this insert right off. For now, we're going to keep this on for our demo purposes. All right. Now, loosening and tightening is controlled on the front here. When you need to loosen it, you're going to look for the button, which is tucked away inside the car seat. Get your finger in there, hold the button down, and pull on the shoulder. If you pull on one side, the other side will adjust with it, so the straps always stay even. And then when you want to tighten it, you're going to pull on the front here. Now you can actually keep the straps out of the way because this car seat does have magnets on the side. Just match it up with the buckle and it's just going to pop right on. The second adjustment feature is actually the headrest. As the baby gets taller, this will move up gradually. There is a pulley tab right behind the headrest. You're going to pull it up all the way. That'll unlock it. So now you can move this up or down depending on the child's height. When the baby is in the car seat, you actually want to look at the very top of the baby's shoulder. The top of their shoulder should be right below the headrest, and the strap should be either level with the shoulder or come from behind their shoulder. So before we put baby in, we're going to make sure the straps are loose and out of the way. For a newborn, the headrest is going to be at the lowest position. You're going to get baby in the car seat by supporting their head and neck. And because the straps are loose, you can easily get their arms through. I like to do retainer clip first, and then the two metal clips go into the crotch buckle. Now the first thing I recommend is tightening the slack around the legs, because if you just pull on the tightening strap right on the front, it's only going to tighten the slack above the shoulders, and sometimes parents forget that it's loose around the legs. So if you tighten up the legs first, move the retainer clip down. And now all the slack is by the shoulder. So when you do pull on the tightening strap, everything tightens all at once. The way to know the straps are tight enough is with two fingers, you're going to pinch right on top of the baby's shoulder. If you can pinch the straps together, it's still too loose. You're going to keep tightening until you can't pinch anything at all. If you're worried the straps are too tight, see if your finger can fit underneath there. As long as your finger fits, you know the baby's not being squeezed or harmed in any way. Finally, you're going to move the retainer clip all the way up. You want to make sure it's level with the baby's armpits. So don't leave it low. That's one of the mistakes I see pretty often. Now, when you're driving, the handlebar is allowed to be in any position. I recommend that you keep it straight up, because if you're driving and you move the handlebar back, it's going to take up more room in the back seat, and then you have to move your seats forward. So while you're driving, go ahead and leave it up. It also makes it easier to lift the car seat out of the vehicle. Finally, the car seat does come with a full cover already built in. It's called the Sky Drape. To access that, you're going to unzip the canopy. The extra layer of material is going to come out. There's magnets on the end, and they're going to attach to the front of the car seat just like that. So you have some UV protection. It's mesh on the side and on the back, so it does allow for air circulation. When you're getting ready to get the baby out of the car seat, you want to loosen the straps first. So hold down the button, pull on the shoulder. If you pull on one side, the other side will adjust with it, and then you can go ahead and remove the baby. And because the straps are loose, it's going to make it ready for the next time you're going to put baby back in. So be sure to practice if you have your car seat at home before you bring the baby home from the hospital. It'll make it much easier if you know exactly what you're checking for. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow to support the page. Thank you. Have a good day.